In the Faculty of Creative Arts and Screen Media, we pride ourselves on providing a practical learning experience. This approach is applied to all of our practical modules, everything from ideation and development through to production and post-production. In order, I suppose, to guide you or help you along the journey, we have a really strong lecturing team, and everybody who's on the lecturing team is working in industry. So we have industry practitioners teaching you skills and knowledge within your chosen discipline. During your time with us here in Griffith College, you will have access to audio equipment, to video equipment, to a variety of lenses and cameras and studios, be it photography studio or broadcast standard TV studio, and dedicated labs for post-production, for image grading, for mastering, for processing, and darkroom facilities. But I suppose the main reason that you have access to this high standard industry equipment is so when you leave this programme, you are industry ready. When working within the creative industries, you're never going to work alone. You're always going to work as part of a team. So networking and developing the skills to collaborate with others are really important. And in order to help you achieve and develop these skills, we've introduced a practical work experience placement where you go out, you work in industry and you develop a professional network. When you produce a piece of creative work, it's really important that you get it out into the world, that you show people what you have created, and that you feel confident in your ability to show that and to explain what you did, how you did it, and why you did it. And for that reason, we have an end-of-year graduation showcase. You can invite family and friends and industry professionals to come and celebrate your work. For our film graduates, that comes in the form of a screening of the work in a cinema. And for our photography graduates, it's a standing exhibition. So if a practical, collaborative approach mentored by industry practitioners is of interest to you, we're here to help you become the filmmakers, content creators and photographers of the future.